Stop buying teriyaki sauce, this homemade version. It's sweeter, it's spicier, and way more flavorful.
I'm Johnny Mac, and this is the Sauce and Gravy channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a sweet and spicy teriyaki sauce that's way better than takeout.
Round up a saucepan. Don't turn on the heat yet. We're going to add the ingredients, mix it up, and then turn on the heat. If you turn on the heat right now, you might burn it. Begin by adding 1/3 cup, or roughly about 70 grams, of tightly packed brown sugar.
Brown sugar adds caramel notes and gives teriyaki that signature glossy finish.
To that, you'll add 1/2 cup, or 125 milliliters, of regular soy sauce. You could also use low sodium soy if you prefer.
For a lot of homemade Asian sauces, soy brings a deep umami flavor, that rich savoriness your brain keeps craving.
Now add 3/4 cup, or 188 milliliters, of water.
What makes homemade teriyaki sauce recipes so addictive? Well, they hit sweet, salty, spicy, and savory all at the same time.
Mince 3 cloves of garlic.
Once you make teriyaki sauce from scratch, you'll never buy a bottle again.
For a spicy touch, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes.
If you like your teriyaki chicken recipe spicy, add more.
And 1 teaspoon of ginger paste.
The garlic and ginger are this sauce's secret. It's what transforms teriyaki from a sweet sauce into something memorable.
You could also use ground ginger or fresh ginger grated. 2 teaspoons of sriracha.
The red pepper flake and sriracha combination create a layered heat instead of just burning your mouth.
1 tablespoon or 15 milliliters of rice vinegar. If you don't have rice vinegar, you can always use or substitute with apple cider vinegar.
Give this Asian sauce recipe a quick mix.
Crank your burner up to medium to high heat. You'll want to bring this to a light simmer. Heat it up and stir so it'll infuse the flavors and dissolve that sugar. While this is coming to temperature, round up 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, that's roughly about 16 grams, and 2 tablespoons of water, 30 milliliters. Add the water to the cornstarch.
The cornstarch slurry is how you make the teriyaki sauce, nice and thick.
Mix it together. You can put it to the side. Ooh, and the flavor's coming up off this. Wow, that's good. This is going to be tasty. Once it comes to a light simmer, you can turn the heat down to medium. Grab your cornstarch slurry, give it another mix because some of that cornstarch goes to the bottom and you want to incorporate it well into the liquid.
The cornstarch is the secret to a restaurant-style texture. It's quick, it's easy, and creates that shiny glaze.
When you add the cornstarch slurry, it's a good idea to add half of it at first, mix it in, bring it to a boil, and then check it out. Look at the consistency of the sauce. If it's as thick as you like, you're good to go. If not, repeat the process until it's as thick as you like. Bring it to a simmer. Once it starts to simmer, that cornstarch should automatically start to activate. Wow. I'm liking that, so I'm just going to go with half of the cornstarch slurry. If you want it even thicker than this for a heavy glaze, you can add the rest. Take it off heat. Give it a quick taste, see if you need to adjust the seasoning. Now you're talking business. That right there, whoo, that is a home run. Woo-hoo-hoo! You're going to absolutely love this.
And that's all there is to it. That's how you make a homemade sweet and spicy teriyaki sauce. It's a sticky sauce recipe that's perfect for beef, chicken wings, pork, you name it. Thank you so much for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. If you found this teriyaki sauce recipe helpful, be sure to hit that like button and share it with your friends. Thanks again for watching, and remember, it's just you, me, and the sauces. Keep whisking, y'all.